pointed out, I think the sticking point here is very elevated core inflation. Mind you, in the month of November, we have had core inflation, and based on the transport and communication inflation which you read out, it seems that the telecom tariff hike of 20 to 25% has not been fully incorporated.
Okay.
So there will be some pressure from December onwards. How it gets spread out is something which we'll have to wait out for. But that on its own will add some pressure. And, this number is good, no doubt about it, versus our expectation. But, just to recall, this number is coming on the back of a 7% inflation number last year. So still pretty elevated, and I would still maintain a view that Jan to March quarter number is likely to be closer to 6% rather than 5.7%. And our sense is that possibly we can see some upward revision in RBI's inflation numbers going forward.
An upward revision, right? This quarter itself, they are standing at 5.1, right? After revision, if you remember, from 4.5. At the moment for October and November, the average works out to about 4.75, if I'm not mistaken. 4.48 in October, 4.91 in November. About 4.7 would be the average, is my guess. So, Anubhuti, you think that 5.1 is okay, or do you think December would be still a bad number if the telecom thing comes through?
So December will have, there will be a double whammy. First of all, the base effect becomes very, very unfavorable. Right from 7% last year, we fell all the way down to closer to 4.5% December CPI. So that will play a role, and then you'll have the telecom tariff hike. Of course, there will be few offsetting factors because vegetable prices have shown signs of correcting on the back of global crude oil prices, which have been lower. There has been further correction in the month of December. So there will be few offsetting factors, but I think the December number will still look pretty elevated, and we might still end up closer to what RBI has been projecting, which is at 5.1%.
So I think December will be a 6% handle, correct?
Yes, possibly. Yeah.
But Mr. Joshi, so do you see a revision in the Jan, Feb, March? And will you really worry about inflation now? Since this reading has come lower, do you think RBI was right in not emphasizing too much about inflation worry?
Well, I think just on the basis of 1 month, I won't draw that conclusion. I think so. I would, but yeah, I would agree with Anubhuti that the last quarter will see somewhat higher inflation because our average for the year is 5.5, which is higher than RBI. So obviously, we probably are expecting close to 6% in the last quarter. I think the worrying point from an overall headline perspective, which the central bank tracks, I think things seem to be okay. I think the inflation seems to be moving in the direction they would want. But I think you cannot ignore the more stable part of inflation, which is core. I think fuel and food are extremely volatile. I mean, so the part which generally shows stability, I think, is showing much higher than the tolerable levels of inflation. I think I would have been satisfied with core around 5, but I think core sticking at 6% on a continuing basis over a high base, I think, is a cause of worry.
Okay, fair enough. Abhishek, anything for the bond markets? Will tomorrow be a benign day? Wanting to perhaps even buy bonds? Do you see that 6.37 getting substantially lower?
Well, difficult to call daily moves in bond market, Lata, but it's been stuck in a very narrow range last few weeks, 630 to 640 kind of a range, and given RBI has not been obliging with any strong commentary about their reaction function, market is really left to inferring global developments and perhaps progressively fiscal news would be important. I think from this data, I think core inflation printing higher will be the most salient message, and there could be some negative reaction therefore.
Okay. RBI is still standing for the full year CPI 21-22 at 5.3%. Abhishek, you think they will be right, or as Mr. Joshi was pointing out, more likely to be 5.5%?
Yeah, but so it's possible that this quarter they were predicting 5.1%. We were a little higher earlier. It is possible that this quarter they might be right. But again, because core inflation has printed higher in line with our estimate, the Jan-March inflation may still print above 6%.
According to Mr.